Katie Johnson.
Okay, Ms. Johnson. Ms. Soroki, can you put your name on the record?
Your Honor, good morning, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Johnson.
Okay, it's my understanding that the officer on this case, Officer Brodsky, is on a detail. However, it is 9:05. Trial time was at 8:30, so I'm dismissing without prejudice. If the officer would like to, he has the legal right to reissue the matter, Ms. Johnson. But at this time, he's dismissed because he is not present to move forward with the case, okay?
All right, thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Yes. Corporal Beckham. Oh, there we go.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Fine, how you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good, ma'am.
Mr. Raynard Johnson. I do not see him checked in, so it will be a case biz for Mr. Johnson as well. So y'all set, Corporal Beckham.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good morning.
You too. Okay, to the young lady who just checked in with the 11017 ID, what is your name?
Terry Amos Johnson.
Say your first name one more time.
Terry Amos.
Okay, I have you checked in. I'm putting you back on mute. Let's get Mr. Jamoom out of the breakout room and call his matter. Are we ready on Mr. Jamoom?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, this is People versus Tawfiq Jamoom, calling case
Yeah.
U-17120, offering to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution, and U-515-14919, offering to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Today is the day set for a pre-trial appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Jamoon. At this time, my client is requesting an Arabic interpreter.
Okay. Mr. Jamoom, can you state your name?
My name is Tawfiq Jamoum.
Okay. I'll set another pre-trial date and make sure that there's an Arabic interpreter present. So that he can understand what he is facing. Okay, Mr. Jamoom, your next
Yes.
court date, December 7th,
December 7th,
8:30.
I thought same way.
Pre-trial, there'll be it's a pre-trial again, but with an Arabic interpreter. You have someone who speaks Arabic present.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome, have a good day.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, Ms. Roby. Trent Biggs, let's get him out of here.
No PO.
Hopage on the call. Okay, this is People versus Trent Biggs, P1070177. Count 1, rendering assistance to drag race in any manner as a spectator, and count 2, violating the government's executive order. Today's the day set for a trial appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal of both charges.
Mr. Biggs, can you state your name for the record, please?
Trent Biggs.
Mr. Biggs, take off your hat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so because the officer, his name is Officer Popaj, badge 4318, has not appeared today for your trial, I'm going to grant the motion from defense and dismiss, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, and I don't know if it's true or not, but don't do that again. If you
All right.
did. All right, have a good day.
You too.
Carlos Freeman?
Here, I'll just print this out and go down. I don't want to keep repeating myself. Thank you.
Is there Officer Scott Maurer on the call? Carlos Freeman calling cases SP 1074489, count 1, driver with license not valid on proper license, count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of the defendant, this is a date and time separate trial. The officer has not appeared. I'd move for dismissal.
Mr. Freeman, can you state your name for the record, please? Mr. Carlos Freeman, can you state your name for the record, please? Unmute your phone. Yes, can you state your name? Unmute your phone, please. Come on, Mr. Freeman, get unmute so we can move on.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, can you state your name?
My name is Carlos Freeman.
Okay, I will grant the motion dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Freeman, your cases have been dismissed. Your officer did not appear today for trial. Time is 9:12. That's Officer Scott Maurer. So you're all set. You have a good rest of your day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Sonia Jones.
Hello, yes, Sonia Jones speaking.
Okay, calling case P1078743, the people versus Sonia Jones. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, violating the governor's executive order. Today's the day set for a trial appearance.
Your Honor, good morning again. Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of the defendant. The officer has not appeared. I'll move for dismissal.
Okay, and that officer received badge 205. So I will dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Jones, you're all set. Your cases have been dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
She told me what happened to her in Iran. I'm not sorry not to leave her around. I wanted to marry her. But first she had to be clean. She was a strong one. Well, maybe she was too strong.
Corporal Cosar?
Yes, ma'am.
Who are you here on? I don't see your name on here.
Carla Jackson?
Carla Jackson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She didn't check in, so she's gonna be capious. You are good to go.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
Miss Jackson is here.
Oh, Miss Jackson is here.
Okay.
Miss Jackson, say something again, because I don't see you on here.
Hold on. Let me see.
Okay. Well, Miss Corporal Colasar, let me go ahead and put you in a breakout room. Oh, you know what? This is a state of emergency case. And
yes.
Based of the Supreme Court's decision, I'm going to have to adjourn this matter because I can't enter any guilty pleas or have any trials based off of what's going on with her, the governor's executive orders at this time.
Actually, Your Honor, if it's okay with you, I'd like to dismiss the case.
Okay. That saves me a headache.
Yeah, and I appreciate that too, because it's an executive order, and I don't see why my client should continue to be compelled to court.
I agree. I don't want to tie up
You know,
something like this. So if I move to dismiss, if that's cool with everybody.
thank you, officer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Calling case 245424, the people versus Carla Marie Jackson, one count of violation of the governor's executive order, appearances.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, behalf of the defendant.
Carla, can you state your name, please?
Carla Jackson.
And Corporal?
Corporal Scott Polisar, 9th Precinct.
Your Honor, at this time, I'm going to ask the court to dismiss this matter after having conversations with the officer. He indicates he does not want to proceed.
That's correct.
Okay, and I will do so without prejudice. Thank you, Corporal.
Thank you.
Go have a good day.
You too, ma'am.
Thanks.
Am I done?
You are done. You've been dismissed. Go ahead and log off.
Okay, thank you. All right.
You're welcome. Okay. Is there an Officer Franklin on the call?
Yes, ma'am, Officer Franklin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't believe Dante Frazier is checked in. I will do another call. Is there Dante Frazier on the call? Dante Lamont Frazier. Nope. He'll be KPS, Officer Franklin.
Okay, have a good one.
You too, thank you. Any more officers? Are there any more officers on the call that I have not addressed? I see the Wayne State University Police Department on here.
Yes, we're on here, all three of us.
Okay, and who are you here for?
Zipporah Jennings.
Oh, okay, let me take care of Ms. Jennings so I can get the officers out. Mr. Roby.
So I'm going to need the information.
Mr. Roby, are you talking to me or?
Yes, if you're talking about the Zipporah and the officers are here.
Oh.
Oh no, that's my case, Judge. I'm retaining Janice. Yeah.
Thank you, counsel.
Oh, no problem at all.
I don't think there's anyone else that, oh, Terry Amos Johnson, there's somebody that you can speak to, Mr. Roby.
I may already have, oh, no, I didn't speak to them.
Terry Amos Johnson, are you on the call? Yes.
Attorney Kevin.
Ms. Johnson, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Hello.
Hi, go ahead and hit join. Go into a breakout room with Attorney Saroki. She'll talk to you about your offers. The offers were in proper place and for failure to display. Let's take care of Ms. Zipporah. When Attorney Bassan is ready. Okay, of course. Bad time. Ms. Chantel Franks?
Yes.
Did you speak to Attorney Saroki already?
No.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
I'm sorry, Judge, I saw you send me a breakout room. That's for
Terry Amos Ms. Johnson.
So, okay, I'm waiting for the offer. As soon as you tell me the offer.
Improper and failure to display.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Were you ready on Jennings?
I was. I'm gonna do Mr. Darrell Johnson and Jennings.
Okay, thank you. I apologize. I was on the phone. Thank you, though.
I know that's fine.
Yep.
Okay. Mr. Roby, I'm gonna put you in with Ms. Chantel Franks, and I'm gonna do this sentencing while you are in there. And her offer is for improper plates.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Franks, go ahead and unmute your phone. Okay, you're already unmuted. And hit join. When it pops up on your screen to go into the breakout room. All right, and I'm ready on Mr. Darrell Dwayne Johnson. Attorney Cross, you're ready, correct? Mr. Darrell Johnson, can you unmute your phone? Oops, I'm sorry, I just muted you back, Attorney Cross.
That's okay.
Okay, are we ready on your client?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is People versus Darrell Dwayne Johnson, calling case D806066. Today's date set for sentencing for operating while visibly impaired. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Kraus, P81830. I'm standing in for the attorney of record, David Cripps, for Mr. Johnson, who is also appearing by Zoom.
And Mr. Johnson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Darrell Dwayne Johnson.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning. How you doing?
And Attorney Kraus, did you and your client have the opportunity to look over the pre-sentencing report?
Yes, we have, Your Honor. All of the information is factually accurate at this time.
Okay. Anything anyone would like to say before sentencing?
Your Honor, I would just like to say that Mr. Johnson's 54 years old. He is employed. He's an asset to this community. He just moved to Detroit from Texas about 2 years ago. This is his first Michigan offense. So I would ask that you follow the recommendation of the probation department and place him on probation.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, anything you'd like to say?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I did read the report. I'm going to change a couple things. Instead of 15 months of probation, I will take it down to 12 months. I'm going to require Mr. Johnson to submit to random urinalysis once a week at jams, as recommended. Also order that he not consume any alcoholic beverages or any illegal substances. Attend outpatient treatment until medically discharged. I am not going to require him to do AA once a week or at all. I will require him to do the consequences video, attend the AHSE level 2 class, the victim impact panel class. I'm also, Counsel, do you recall, I have to go through, for this incident, was Mr. Johnson, did he have marijuana in his system at the time of the offense?
I'm sorry, Judge, what was that?
Did your client have marijuana in his system at the time of the offense, or was this?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. We don't have a report or anything from this case.
Okay, so it says here that this is only related to alcohol. I am not going to require him to refrain from smoking marijuana. However, Mr. Johnson, you cannot operate a vehicle. Of course, you can't operate it right now anyway, but you cannot operate a vehicle while under the influence of marijuana. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm not going to require you to stop with any marijuana use, as that wasn't part of the offense. That was not what you had in your system.
Thank you.
Also, you're welcome. Oh, this whole time.
I should have said something. Didn't want to interrupt you.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
and also, let's see here, as far as fines and costs, I'm going to impose the absolute bare minimum due to the pandemic. So your analysis testing fee is $10 per month, so that's going to be $120. Your fine will be $100 for the actual offense. Crime victim fee, $75. Supervision, it's required of me to impose that as $30 a month. So that would be $360. There's no restitution on this matter. So you're at $655. Mr. Johnson, I will give you the duration to take care of that amount. I'm not going to require you to pay that up front, so you have time to take care of that. And so you officially have to report to the probation department at this time and check in with them. Go ahead and write this number down if you don't already have their number.
Hold on, give us a second.
Okay.
Judge, is it a number listed on the bottom of that probation order? Can you hold on? I know it's some moves around in the probation department. So just make sure.
Okay.
It says that on it? Okay.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, 313-965-3414.
Okay.
So you are to report. And just go ahead and call today so you can start with getting enrolled in the programs and classes to get it over with and start with your outpatient treatment, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am. I appreciate it.
You are welcome. So the order of probation that I am signing here today will be sent to you in the mail, so you'll have a copy of all the things that you are required to do, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And Attorney Kraus, I will also scan it over to your email, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Judge.
You're welcome. Is there anything else for this matter?
Not from the defense.
Okay, well, you all have a good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thanks. Huh? Okay. Okay, let's take care of this. This is the for Johnson. I'm sorry, Jennings. Ms. Jennings, go ahead and unmute your phone. Attorney Basad, are you ready for your client matter today?
Yes, Judge, we're prepared. She's going to enter into a plea as charged.
Okay.